If you're a football fan, your phone can do much more than just stream matches. Today, I'm sharing some of the best official sports apps that help you follow the FIFA World Cup and stay updated wherever you are. First is the official FIFA app. It lets you check match schedules, results, news, and tournament information. If you're following the World Cup, this is one of the best apps to have installed. Next is Sofascore. This app provides live scores, player ratings, team statistics, and match notifications. It's fast, easy to use, and covers football leagues from around the world. Flashscore is another excellent app. You can follow multiple matches at the same time, receive instant goal alerts, and keep track of standings and fixtures. OneFootball is perfect for football fans who want breaking news, transfer updates, match previews, and live scores, all in one place. If I had to recommend just one app, I'd install the FIFA app first for official tournament information, and then add Sofascore or Flashscore for live updates. Let me know in the comments which football app you use the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech and mobile tutorials.